Hey gang, Poppy here, Caffeine BS for July 25, 2019. Going out in the shop to start making some bracketry for my DRO install on my Shearline mill. I've been watching the news. Apparently Europe is burning up. They're in the midst of a gigantic heat wave. Germany recorded highest temperatures ever. Same in France, Spain. I mean, Europe is just on fire. I mean, it's almost like someone was trying to tell us that they're unhappy with the things we're doing. Politically, socially, economically. It's like all hell's broken loose. And it's burning up the surface of the planet.